seem like the type to love and leave 'em and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you and hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone.
Hello, excuse me. Can you give me direction to Gedung Sate? Of course. You can take the bus from here. Just hop on the heading toward Gedung Sate. If you prefer to walk, go straight down this road for about 500 meters. Then, turn left at the traffic light. Gedung Sate will be right in front of you. That sounds great. Are there any other notable places around Gedung Sate that I should visit? Around Gedung Sate, you can visit to Bandung City Hall or the Geological Museum. If you want to go to shopping, you can go to Istana Plaza or Cihampelas World, which are not too far from Gedung Sate. Great! I think I'm ready to visit Gedung Sate now. Okay, have a nice trip to Bandung. Hello, I want to go to Jakarta from Bandung. What are the types of intercity transportation available? There are buses and trains. Buses are more affordable, while trains offer better comfort. How much are the tickets for each? Bus tickets start from 100,000 rupiah, while trains start from 200,000 rupiah. Thank you for the information. I think I'm ready to choose the right transportation for my trip.
다음에 또 만나요.